Below is a more detailed look at the so-called AI signal paradox, drawing on several perspectives from recent discussions and analyses in the field. The term isn't yet universally defined concept in academic literature, but is used in industry and thought leadership circles to describe a counterintuitive phenomenon where enhanced detection leads to enhanced vulnerability. AI systems, especially in cybersecurity, are increasingly used to filter out noise and detect subtle patterns in massive datasets. However, the very same capabilities can be weaponized. Malicious actors can design attacks that both mimic benign signals or overwhelm systems with misleading data. This is a dual-use technology, as AI improves our ability to monitor and analyze systems, thereby increasing security or operational efficiency. It simultaneously expands the attack surface. In other words, the advancements that allow AI to pick up on faint signals also make it sensitive to false positives or can be tricked by carefully crafted adversarial examples. Many cybersecurity experts point out that AI can process huge volumes of data and detect anomalies that human operators might miss. This helps in identifying early stages of an attack or breaches that do not trigger conventional alarms. However, the sophisticated nature of AI means that adversaries can study its behavior and design countermeasures or deceptive tactics. For instance, an attacker might flood a system with signals that obscure the true indicators of an attack. This creates a paradox for enterprises. While deploying AI improves situational awareness, it also demands more advanced risk management frameworks to mitigate the vulnerabilities inherent in such systems. The paradox also resonates with the wider impact of AI. In industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and finance, AI's ability to signal trends and optimize processes leads to higher efficiency, but can also result in significant shifts in the job market. Additionally, as AI systems become more autonomous in interpreting signals, there's an increased risk of bias, misinterpretation, or over-reliance on algorithmic truths that may not capture the full context. AI systems filter through massive data streams, but when too many signals are presented or when adversaries manipulate these signals, decision makers may face a scenario where they're left with too much information to effectively parse, a modern twist on information overload. Experts recommend several strategies to address the AI signal paradox. Organizations need adaptive frameworks that can dynamically respond to both genuine signals and deceptive patterns. Combining AI with traditional methods, such as human oversight and rule-based systems, can help mitigate the risk of over-reliance on any single approach. Both AI systems and the teams managing them should continuously evolve their models and protocols to counter emerging adversarial tactics. Understanding how AI systems interpret signals is critical. Improved transparency helps in auditing decisions and in refining models to reduce bias or error. The AI signal paradox captures a modern dilemma. The tools that promise to make systems smarter and more secure can also be turned against us if not carefully managed. Balancing innovation with robust safeguards is essential as we further integrate AI into critical sectors. For additional insights and up-to-date analyses, you might explore content from cybersecurity think tanks and AI research platforms, which continue to discuss these dual-use challenges and the need for responsible AI deployment. This synthesis combines industry perspectives with emerging discussions on how to navigate the risks and rewards of advanced AI.